Today we're going to talk about something super easy and you can do it in less than a minute, and that is how to learn inventory software. That's going to take more time than that, don't you think? That's going to take way more. Yes, it is. So what's the first thing you can do to learn inventory software? Well, you're going to practice. You're going to click all around and you're going to try to figure out what all these shiny buttons do, and then all of a sudden you're going to break it and then you're going to be frustrated, but just keep practicing. But really that often doesn't work, at least not in the beginning. So instead you could use tutorials, training videos, and often there's even a wiki that references how to use the software, how to solve problems. And those are all super helpful, and they can give you some really good advice on how to troubleshoot on your own. But that usually means that you already kind of know the software. So really what is one of the best ways to learn the software? It's to have someone teach you how to use it in person. Now, given the state of things lately, maybe in person isn't the best, so you could just do it virtually. Like a virtual on-site training like we provide. So that you can learn quickly how to use the software, how to implement it into your team, your employees, your company, your business, and what best practices are in using that software so that you're not second-guessing yourself. So you're not just clicking buttons randomly and all of a sudden like your accountant is yelling at you or your vendor is mad, but you know how to use the software. By having someone that knows how to use the software train you how to use the software, you're using the software right the first time. So the best way to use and learn is to have someone teach you how to do it so that you can now teach someone else how to do it, and your whole business is up and running. So I'm a bit biased, obviously, but having on-site training or virtual training is the best way to get up and go for your software, for your company, and for you. So save yourself some time in bumbling around and just click on this guy and get up and running. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.